Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great week of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about my Robinhood portfolio. Currently I'm at $229,641. Cash position of $9,811. I also have another $30,000 in a high yield savings account so I can easily deploy into the market when there are opportunities to buy. So most of my portfolio is in US equities, and the market has been rallying since the end of last year, which makes me a bit more cautious considering optimism is extremely high at the moment. Scrolling down a bit, take a look at my portfolio. First position is VOO, Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, which is my largest position. This makes up 15.61% of my portfolio, or $35,841. Currently up 23% on this position. Next is Vanguard Information Technology ETF. This is a very good exposure to the technology sector. This makes up 7.14% of the portfolio, or $16,404. Currently up 79.02%. Next is Schwab US Large Cap ETF, very similar to VOO, makes up 5.49% of the portfolio, or $12,596. This position I'm up 32.28%. Next is iShares Core S&P 500 ETF, very similar to VOO and Schwab Large Cap ETF, makes up 1.27% of the portfolio, or $2,914. This position I'm up 51.53%. Next is Spider S&P 500 ETF, very similar to VOO, Schwab, and iShares ETF, makes up 1.12% of the portfolio, or $2,579. I'm up 51.8%. Next is Apple, which is my largest stock position. Makes up 6.91% of the portfolio, or $15,858. Currently up 82.67%. Next is Alibaba, which is my Asia Pacific play. Makes up 5.36% of the portfolio, or $12,310. Currently up 26.4%. Next is Microsoft, which makes up 4.95% of portfolio, or $11,359. Makes up 79.08%. Visa makes up 4.66% portfolio, or $10,710. Currently up 74.27%. Next is NVIDIA, which makes up 3.69% portfolio, or $8,480. Currently up 25.86%. Next is Alphabet, or the parent company of Google. This is Class A shares. Makes up 1.75% portfolio, or $4,024. Currently up 35.23%. This is Alphabet Class C shares. Makes up 1.75% portfolio, or $4,016. I'm up 34.3%. So Class A and Class C shares is a total of a little over $8,000. Next is Johnson & Johnson. Makes up 3.49% portfolio, or $8,022. Currently up 12.88%. Amazon makes up 3.22% portfolio, or $7,400. Currently up 55.86%. Next is Tencent, which is another Asia Pacific play. Makes up 2.78% portfolio, or $6,385. Currently up 13.62%. Next is McDonald's. Makes up 2.59% portfolio, or $5,939. Currently up 23.17%. Next is Boeing. Makes up 2.41% portfolio, or $5,532. Currently up 9.26%. United Health makes up 2.3% portfolio, or $5,291. Currently up 72.98%. Home Depot makes up 1.71% portfolio, or $3,930. Currently up 43.96%. Next is AT&T, which is a really good dividend play. Makes up 1.7% portfolio, or $3,911. Currently up 8.07%. Next is Berkshire Hathaway, which is Warren Buffett's company. makes up 1.68% of portfolio or $3,855, currently up 24.4%. Next is Costco, makes up 1.66% portfolio or $3,820, currently up 22.02%. Next is Facebook, makes up 1.61% portfolio or $3,697, currently up 32.45%. Next is 3M, which makes up 1.38% portfolio or $3,175. This position I'm actually down 12.38%, but I think it's a good long-term hold as a dividend aristocrat. Next is PepsiCo, makes up 1.19% portfolio, $2,733, or 14.45%. I'm up on this position. PayPal, which makes up 1.08% portfolio, or $2,487, currently at 42.97%. Next is NextEra Energy, makes up 0.95% portfolio, or $2,179, currently at 38.16%. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, makes up 0.63% portfolio, or $1,456, currently up 33.75%. Next is Activision Blizzard, makes up 0.62% portfolio, or $1,426, currently down 9.66%. So the next couple of positions I'm actually down, but I think they're okay to hold in the long term. Next is Baidu, which is another Asia Pacific play, makes up 0.61% portfolio or $1,392, currently down 31.35%. Next is Baozun, which is a Shopify of China, makes up 0.54% portfolio or $1,246, currently down 10.75%. NetEase makes up 0.27% portfolio or $613, currently down 12.05%. Constellation Brands makes up 0.25% portfolio of $569, down 14.27%. Iqiyi makes up 0.18% of a portfolio of $422, down 30.34%. Next couple positions are ETFs. So Vanguard Consumer Discretionary ETF makes up 0.91% portfolio or $2,084, up 53.3%. Vanguard Healthcare ETF makes up 0.75% portfolio, $1,725, currently up 48.11%. Last but not least is Vanguard Mega Cap Value ETF, makes up 0.84% portfolio, $1,917, up 30.86%. So that's all in my Robinhood portfolio. I plan to continue holding these stocks and ETFs and buying more stocks, preferably a good balance between dividend paying stocks and growth stocks. I also plan on increasing my cash position, currently at $9,811 in my Robinhood account and $30,000 in my high yield savings account. But I want to get this to at least $40,000 so I can easily buy when there's opportunities to buy. That's all for this video. What's in your portfolio? Comment down below. Remember to use more referral links below, and both of us get $20 for using personal capital or free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.